Are you aware that IoT devices are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks? This is a prevalent concern, especially for devices deployed in the field. Credentials saved on these devices can be exploited, increasing the risk of a security breach. But don't worry, there is a solution. AuthVault is an authentication scheme that removes credentials from these devices and stores them on a trusted, secure back-end service. With AuthVault, installing a SIM card into the IoT device is all you need to do. No more manual injecting of profiles and keys into each device. And when you need to replace or upgrade fleets of devices, it's as simple as ordering a batch of new SIMs from the telco and switching them on. The IoT cryptographic operations are offloaded to the 5G MEC edge cloud for better security, better utilization of device battery, and faster crypto operations. AuthVault can be used across different applications, from precision engineering to construction and to facilities management.